Looking for interactive workshops and hands-on classes? Hoi An offers a wide range of options. From cooking classes to art lessons, there's something for everyone. Farming local market cooking class in Café vegetable. Starting from the hotel lobby, proceed towards the Hoi An local market for exploration. Proceeding further, cycle to a local restaurant situated within an organic vegetable village known as Café. Engage in a guided tour of the organic vegetable farm, where you will have the opportunity to experience firsthand the process of cultivation under the guidance of local farmers. Indulge in a traditional herbal foot bath, followed by a foot massage designed to relax and rejuvenate. Learn the art of cooking 4 iconic Vietnamese dishes: green papaya salad, spring rolls, bánh xèo, Vietnamese rice pancake, and fish in clay pot. Prepare and enjoy your own culinary creation. Finally, make your way back to your hotel. Hoi An, private cooking class by the Basket Boat Café. Embark on an exquisite journey through Hoi An, Vietnam, with our expertly curated tours that combine local culture, history, and culinary delights. Our morning and afternoon classes commence at 9:00 a.m. and 2:00 p.m. respectively, exclusively within the Hoi An area. Upon arrival at your accommodation, our dedicated team will provide a warm welcome and transport you to the Basket Boat Café, where you will be treated to a refreshing welcome beverage. At the Basket Boat Café, immerse yourself in the rich stories of the coconut palm village and the enchanting basket boat ride, setting the stage for an unforgettable adventure. Join us on a scenic voyage along the Bay Mao Water Coconut Palm Forest, an ecologically and historically significant location in Hoi An. Engage in traditional fishing village activities such as spinning the basket boat, casting a fishing net, and even catching fresh fish or sea. Hoi An Vietnamese coffee culture and coffee making class. Join us for an engaging workshop in Hoi An, where we will explore the intricate world of Vietnamese coffee through guided instruction. During this session, participants will learn 4 distinct Vietnamese coffee styles, each one unique to different districts, and experience the delightful taste of freshly brewed coffee paired with artisanal cookies. Our journey begins with a refreshing cup of specialty herbal tea, followed by an enlightening discussion on the cultural significance of Vietnamese cafes. As our expert instructor shares anecdotes about the origins of these beloved establishments, attendees will gain valuable insights into the traditional methods used to transform coffee plants into aromatic beverages. Under the guidance of our skilled facilitator, we will delve into the brewing process, focusing on the fin method, a technique often associated with French-style coffee preparation. This approach allows for a smooth, flavorful extraction of coffee grounds, resulting in a deeply satisfying brew that reflects the rich flavors characteristic of Vietnamese coffee. Additionally, we will explore the art of roasting dark beans, emphasizing the importance of blending them harmoniously with sweet condensed milk. Through hands-on demonstrations, learners will develop a deeper understanding of the nuances involved in creating authentic Vietnamese coffee blends. Throughout the workshop, participants will prepare 4 signature Vietnamese coffees: black coffee, happy white coffee, Hue Imperial Salt Coffee, and Hanoi Capital Egg Coffee. Each beverage offers a unique flavor profile, showcasing the versatility of Vietnamese coffee-making techniques. As the session concludes, patrons will savor their carefully crafted cups of coffee alongside a delectable cookie. To complement the culinary experience, live music will fill the air, creating a serene ambiance perfect for relaxation and appreciation of both the drink and its accompanying dessert. This immersive workshop promises not only to enhance your knowledge of Vietnamese coffee, but also to provide a memorable sensory experience that celebrates the country's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Join us soon to embark on this exciting adventure. Hoi An Vegan Cooking School with local chef and basket boat. Our vegan cooking class provides an engaging culinary experience for adherents of plant-based diets, offering them the unique opportunity to immerse themselves in authentic Vietnamese cuisine. Participants embark on a journey through vibrant markets to select fresh produce, setting the stage for their culinary adventures. Following the purchase of necessary ingredients, they proceed to a picturesque location, featuring lush coconut groves and quaint fishing villages, where traditional techniques for catching purple crabs are demonstrated. Guided by skilled locals, visitors acquire hands-on skills in preparing these delicacies, while learning about the rich agricultural practices of Vietnam. The next leg of the trip takes them to the scenic Cam Thon village, where they board baskets carried by villagers for a leisurely ride down the river. Upon arrival, they are introduced to various methods of crab catching, and the preparation of traditional Vietnamese dishes such as locusts or flowers, made from nipa leaves. Delighted with this introduction to coastal life, participants move seamlessly into the bustling kitchen, where seasoned chefs guide them through the creation of 4 signature Vietnamese vegan recipes. In a communal setting reminiscent of family gatherings, each participant contributes to the feast, culminating in a memorable dining experience. Throughout the day, guests receive comprehensive instruction on the art of Vietnamese seasoning and marinade making, enhancing their culinary repertoire. Additionally, the class serves as a platform for those interested in experimenting with both meatless and vegan preparations, providing an inclusive environment for diverse dietary preferences. The tour concludes with a warm welcome back to the hotel, ensuring that every participant enjoys a satisfying end to their culinary expedition. Farming with farmers at ancient vegetable village Café. The local chef and family member of the Café Water Wheel restaurant will pick you up from your hotel via bicycle, motorbike, or car, your preference, after which you will embark on a leisurely journey through the picturesque rice paddies. This scenic route offers a delightful escape into the serene countryside, allowing you to immerse yourself in the tranquil atmosphere of the region. Upon reaching your destination, you will find yourself surrounded by lush greenery and a plethora of agricultural activities, including the cultivation of various herbs using traditional methods. This verdant environment is part of a UNESCO-listed area designated as a cultural heritage site. Here, you'll witness firsthand the rich culinary traditions and techniques employed in daily meals. Participate in the preparation process, learning how to fertilize the land using seaweed harvested from the nearby lake, and mastering the art of cultivating new crops. Traditional farming implements such as rakes and watering cans will also be demonstrated to you. Next, step aboard a water buffalo, an iconic local species known for its beauty and efficiency. Your adventure continues with the experience of rowing a basket boat across the tranquil waters of the surrounding coconut groves. These experiences offer both physical challenges and sensory pleasures, enriching your visit to Café. Following these exhilarating activities, you will enjoy a sumptuous lunch prepared by the local chefs. This meal will be complemented by additional delicacies to enhance your dining experience further. Our team is committed to accommodating your preferences and dietary requirements, ensuring a memorable and enjoyable trip. As the sun sets and you return to your hotel, you will carry cherished memories of your adventurous day and precious photographs captured during your journey. The winding road back to the bustling heart of Hoi An awaits, offering another chance to reflect upon your extraordinary experience. Hoi An Basket Boat, Lantern Making and Cooking Class Tour. Our guide will meet you at your hotel at 8:30 a.m. and proceed to explore a vibrant local market, where you will learn to negotiate with local vendors and purchase essential ingredients for the upcoming cooking class. At 9:30 a.m., we will transport you to Phu Lan Travel, where you will partake in a welcome drink followed by an informative session about the village's culture and traditions. Following this, you will embark on a thrilling 45-minute ride aboard a traditional coracle boat through the dense Thu Bon River channels, experiencing unique performances by local artists along the way. Upon returning to Phulan Travel at approximately 10:15 a.m., there will be a brief introduction to the history and artistry behind lantern making, followed by hands-on instruction in creating your very own handmade lantern. This activity will culminate in a special treat, the opportunity to sample delicious dishes like hoi and fried spring rolls, Vietnamese rice pancakes, papaya salad with chicken, and khao la noodles. By 10:45 a.m., you will join a culinary experience led by a local chef who will demonstrate various regional delicacies, including their signature specialty. Enjoy savoring each dish while mingling with fellow participants during this engaging and immersive learning session. The day concludes with a memorable end-of-service moment, when our chauffeur will drive us back to the hotel at 100 p.m., allowing ample time for relaxation and preparation for future adventures or rest if needed. From Hoi An Cooking Class at Organic Farm. Culinary Exploration of Vietnamese Gastronomy, a formal description for SEOA. Embark on an immersive culinary journey through the verdant landscapes of Vietnam, where the art of cooking is elevated to an experience of cultural richness and authenticity. Our esteemed lemon basil cooking class invites you to delve into the heart of Vietnamese gastronomy, guided by our expert chefs who will unveil the secrets behind the creation of traditional dishes. Our meticulously crafted itinerary offers a comprehensive exploration of Vietnamese cuisine, beginning with an introduction to the freshest organic ingredients sourced from local farms. Participants will embark on a farm tour, discovering the essential components for our trake spring rolls and gaining an appreciation for the importance of quality produce in Vietnamese cooking. The hands-on cooking segment of the class will see you mastering the art